Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to modify an Office 365 distribution list from Outlook. This is a really useful skill if you manage groups of contacts and need to keep your email lists up to date, whether you're adding new team members or removing people who've left. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load your emails and sync all your data. This ensures that when you make changes to your distribution list, everything updates properly across your Office 365 account. Once your email has loaded completely, we need to navigate to the Contacts section. Look towards the bottom left part of your Outlook screen where you'll find your navigation menu. Click on Contacts, which is represented by an icon showing two people. This is where all your saved contacts and distribution lists are stored, making it easy to manage everyone in one central location. Now that you're in the Contacts menu, modifying your distribution list is actually quite straightforward. Look for the View selector and click on List. This view will display all the distribution lists you currently have set up under your Outlook account. You'll see them organized clearly, making it easy to find the specific list you want to work with. To modify or edit a list, simply double-click on the distribution list you wish to change. This action will open the distribution list editor window, which gives you full control over that particular group. From this editor, you have several options available. You can remove contacts who no longer need to be part of the list, or add new contacts to expand your group. Beyond just managing names, you can also set notes for reference, schedule meetings with the entire group, or even categorize individual contacts within your distribution list to keep things organized. Once you've finished making all your modifications, whether you've added new members, removed old ones, or updated any settings, simply click on Save and Close. This will retain all the changes you've made and update your distribution list across your Office 365 account. And that's it. You've successfully modified your Office 365 distribution list directly from Outlook, giving you complete control over your contact groups. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.